Hello friends, welcome back to STNMS YouTube channel. This is Deepali Mule. Today we are going to discuss about ways of communication, class 4, subject science. Let us see different types of pictures here I have shown you. Find out the different types of devices or different types of pictures. First one newspaper, second one television, third one laptop and fourth one radio. So dear students, these all devices are used for communication purpose. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about the meaning of communication and we are going to discuss about the different types of communication. So what is meant by communication? So communication is the art of giving, receiving and sharing information from one place to another place. In other words, talking or writing and listening or reading, that is called as communication. So we can call as communication is sending and receiving information between two or more people. So let us see the different types of communications are there. As a good communicators, listen carefully, speak, write or they can respect to each other, they can share their opinion from one person to another person. So dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn many more things about different ways of communication. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about many more things. First we are going to discuss about what is communication. Second we are going to discuss about devices used for communication. Third we are going to discuss about what is mass communication. Next we are going to discuss about means of communication used in olden days. And last one we are going to discuss about benefit and problems of using communication media. So dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about communication and different types of devices used for communication purpose. So let us see the different types of people are there. They are sending messages, they are giving messages from one person to another person. So people learn, share information through communication and all forms of communication have one thing in common. The first one is we have to send information from one place to another and we have to receive the information. Means the sending and receiving messages from one place to another, it is common. So communication, it is the art of transforming information from one place to another person. It is one of the art of transferring information from one place to another person, or we can transform this information from one place to the group of people. So this is called as a communication. As you know that we can communicate to each other, we can share our feelings from one person to another person. We can discuss anything, we can share our feelings, we can share our ideas from one person to another person. In this way, we can communicate with each other. So in each communication, sender and recipient is required as we are sharing information from one place to another person. So communication is not only a human activity, as animals also can communicate. They can also make the sounds, they can also make acting and they can also communicate with each other. So nowadays we are using many different types of communication devices. So let us see the different types of communication media. First one, that is a newspaper. Second one, television. Third one, radio, internet. So like this, many different types of communication medias are available. As communication can take place between two or more people, as we can share our information, we can share our knowledge, feelings, ideas from one person to another person. So dear students, first we are going to discuss about communication with few people. So what is the meaning of communication with few people? Let us see. That means we want to convey our message, feeling through emotions, information to a single or particular person. This is known as personal communication. So this is very important as we are going to share our feelings to a particular person. We are going to share our information, our ideas for a particular person or single person. That is called as the communication with few people. Now let us see the different types of devices here I have shown you. That is, we can send letter to that person, we can communicate through the telephone, we can communicate through email. So like that, many different types of things are there, as we can use postcard, telephones, email to communicate to each other. Now let us see the communication with many people. Here we are going to discuss about the communication with many people, or we can say that the communication with group of people. So we want to convey our message, our feelings, our ideas, thoughts, emotion, information to a group of people or many people. This is known as the mass communication. So previously we have discussed about the personal communication, as we can convey our information with very few people or with a single person. And here in mass communication we can communicate with group of people. So we can use many different types of media like WhatsApp, like Facebook, newspaper, different types of social medias are also available. Again, we can use the internet also, Instagram also, television, newspaper, radio. So these are the different types of communication media nowadays we are using. As we know that we can search information, we can give different types of ideas to the people through the different types of website, through the different types of Wikipedias and all. So we can share our information. As television is also one of the best transportation media, television is one of the best communication media nowadays we are using. We can use radios also, and we will get the many more things. So dear students, here I have shown you one picture, as we will get the many more information about the different types of things with the help of libraries also. So this is also very important. In libraries we can read books and we will get the more information. So dear students, in this video we have learned about communication and different types of devices. I hope you may have understood this topic very well. Again we will meet in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.